Yo, I'm Jeremy with the rainbow tie and can't forget those beady eyes.
You're looking at my eyes, you're calling them a little beady, but I'm just like, look at yours, it's kind of like a sweetie.
Hey guys, I'm Andrea Boehlke.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Parsons.
And you might recognize us as hosts of People Now.
Today we are going to be decorating cookies that look like each other.
Okay, I'm ready.
Me too. Ready for this? Okay, I want to start with the blue eyes. I'm going to do a little gel. Actually, this could just be the eye.
But I think this gives it a little more pop, so I'm gonna do this.
If these were Skittles, I would eat the entire
How
bowl.
close are your eyes together?
Yours are a little further apart,
They
right?
are. Oh
yeah,
wait, people used to make fun of me for that.
Well, I knew that.
Okay, is this gonna be us being really mean to each other?
No, we're gonna keep it very nice.
Okay, I'm gonna do some, whatever this is called, squiggle action.
Is that licorice? I hate licorice, but it is the only thing that would work for me. We could do like blonde licorice, which also is yellow. These are gonna be for your bangies. Maybe your,
Do you see bangs?
No, that's what I was gonna say. Well, what is that? Bun. Well,
do you know what bangs are?
We're gonna use these bananas to make a bun.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to do the swoop. I do not cook or bake.
I do an amazing egg sandwich in the morning. I can also do an acorn squash mixed with some sausage and gravy on the inside.
I've made guacamole before, and it turned out very well.
If I can pick up my phone and hit an app and they'll bring that food to me
It's
in 20
seamless.
minutes,
It's just
then
so
why would I be slaving over?
I know.
I'm sorry for your pink like roots.
So we are hosts of People Now.
We stream live every day at noon Eastern on People's Twitter handle.
Monday through Friday.
Boom. You can also watch a weekend version on broadcast stations across the country.
We're very popular in airports. So
And
if you're watching this in an airport, look up at the bar, you might see us.
Also very popular in Vegas for some reason.
We have a lot of really fun celebrity guests on our show. Who has been your favorite recently?
Oh, Tony Hale. I had an incredible conversation with Tony Hale for
Toy
Toy
Story
Story
4.
4. When I look at him, I just see Buster Bluth.
I don't get starstruck that often, but I did recently when I interviewed J-Lo. I asked her questions and she answered, and I kind of blacked out. But it was a good interview. Don't remember
anything.
But I watched back and it was great.
I got starstruck a long time ago when I interviewed Tom Hanks. I was so nervous walking in the room. The publicist knew it and like whispered loud enough for everyone to hear, like, go easy on him. He's really nervous to meet you. And he's like, why are you nervous? And I was like, Big was my favorite movie. He was amazing. And then I pulled out my makeshift bucket list at the end and he scratched himself off my bucket list. It was stupid and cheesy, but he played along and I loved him for it. You know who else I loved? We had recently on People Now? Jay Leno. That was kind of like one of those things. Jay Leno was
great.
Yeah, it's like, he's an icon and he was incredible. Sometimes we have disagreements about a guest. And how much
like most guests. I am not a fan of Dr. Pimple Popper. I think
sorry,
it's disgusting.
Dr. Sandra Lee, I apologize, but don't worry, my love for you makes up for her lack of love. Yeah, it's like a disgusting thing for you.
I don't like to watch the pus come out of a pimple. Wait, I don't know what to do for the nose.
No, that's true.
That's really hard.
Well, I'm gonna do this for you. It's like a blondie shimmer.
You just did a weird blob.
Well, I was gonna kind of spruce it with this a little bit. I'm gonna do some lipstick.
A little ear action.
Preparing for a red carpet, especially like an award show, it's almost like a flashback to cramming for a final. You've got like a list of people, you gotta know at least a couple really good little tidbits about each one of them, and any of them could come up at any time, and it's just like,
the worst thing ever is if you're like, who dat? You wanna know who they are, something about them, something to further the conversation, and it's always really hot too.
Yeah, I don't know if I finished early here on yours.
I'm a little disappointed. Well, not that yours is good either. I look like a pig.
Given everything we had, I feel like this is decent.
I thought I was gonna be better.
One thing that you might not know about us that we've developed over our time working on People Now is just a sort of a skill to do a little freestyle rap.
We do like to do that.
We're oddly proud of it, and it's not that great.
Yo, I'm Jeremy with the rainbow tie and can't forget those beady eyes.
You're looking at my eyes, you're calling them a little beady, but I'm just like, look at yours, it's kind of like a sweetie.
It's not really easy and it's not really fair. All I really had to work with was the hair.
These cookies look great, and you can't believe you're like, wow, but it gets even better if you watch us on People Now.
Okay, I think it's time.